Hello. Perhaps some of you will recognize me, especially as I sit surrounded by my greatest love, seabirds. My name is Peter Harrison. I am here today to bring you up to date with progress on the publication of my latest book, Seabirds, the New Identification Guide. For sure, these have been challenging times and certainly not made any easier by the outbreak of the COVID pandemic. Despite our best efforts, working 12 to 16 hours each and every day, 7 days a week, we've been working at this for some 15 years, and we are not yet quite at the printers. So, my dear seabirding friends, take heart. We are just weeks away from publication date and the time that you will be able to hold for the first time in your own hands a copy of the long-awaited Seabirds, the New Identification Guide. I am both delighted and excited to share with each of you that our new publication date will be late May. We expect the new Seabird Guide to set new standards. There are nearly 700 pages. There are 239 full-color plates comprising over 3,800 colored images. What I really want this book to do is to take your breath away. This is my gift to each and every one of you. This is my legacy for those of you that follow my footpath to the sea and to cross the oceans of this world. Stay safe, be safe, and happy seabirding. The Lynx Editions pre-publication offer of €60 for the new Seabird Guide has now been extended to the 15th of May, so be sure that you take advantage of this really generous offer.